What's up, guys? So today I'm bringing you some new gear, so just get this volume up. Okay, so let me see here. Recording. Okay, so we're gonna be playing Survival Day. Now I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Where did breakfast go? Putting in the furnace. Yep. Let's cook this up here. Raw chicken, cooked chicken. Yum. I'm gonna make a new sword because this guy is getting lost. So get this sword up. And then a pickaxe to 1, 2, 3. That's enough. That's too much for today. Let's make it 6. Sick. Pickaxe and awesome. The cooking chicken and now I have one. I'm gonna use this for today. I'm gonna put it there and let it sip. Let's go adventuring. Kill some animals like this lobster thing. Subject. Parkour. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe, and peace out. Pa 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 pam. Yay.